Take a ride in the 2019 Volkswagen e-Golf. The Volkswagen e-Golf is the company's first all-electric car. It maintains the spirited driving experience of internal combustion versions of the Golf. The e-Golf is the best handling electronic car in its class and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, CD player. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.